So let's saw your signature. What I've done here is I've practiced my signature a number of times until I get one that I like. And you want to try to kind of space the lettering out maybe unusually than you would if you were just signing a check, for instance, so they have a little bit more spacing or ability to saw in between the letters and keep them intact. So I've picked one out, and I'm going to glue it up. I've actually picked two out because I always kind of like back myself up by doing at least two. And we're going to glue this up on some nickel sheet. This is 22 gauge nickel. You could use any kind of metal sheet, but I suggest that it be somewhere in the range of 20 or 22 gauge. Thicker than that, it's going to give you a little bit more of a sawing challenge. And then we're going to pick out a couple of points where we're going to basically insert our saw to saw those letters out. And we're going to center punch those points on here and then drill them out. So I've got this great little tool here. It's a spring tool, center punch. So I'm center punching, the bottoms of the biggest letters and the ends of a line of script. And let's see how many more in here I need. I think that'll do it. Oh, here, maybe the top of the H, right there. And now we're going to drill them out with our flexible shaft drill. And I'm using a number 55 drill for this. You could use even a smaller one. A 60 would be good, but this will work okay. And let's see, a couple more. And one up here at the end. And now we're ready to saw your signature. This is one of the basic skill tests that are given to budding metalsmiths in colleges and universities and other kinds of training programs, and it's kind of a fun one to be able to do to figure out the spacing and everything. So here we go. The proper body alignment to your bench. Address the bench. And of course we're going to have to come back and reverse on these lines. And so now, not only am I turning a corner, I'm completely reversing myself on a line. And I'm going to open up the bottom here where I drilled the hole so it looks like it's not just a dot at the end of the line, but actually kind of fits into the line. There we go. And now we can switch to the H. Again, you're going to thread your piece from the front to the back. You're going to hang it at the top of the saw frame with the support of the top stanchion. So you have both hands free to mount the saw at the bottom. And here's a sharp little turn, reversing on itself. You notice how I'm setting myself up for the turn so that I'm anticipating the turn both with body position and with the bench pin position of the workpiece. But as much as possible, I'm trying to saw directly into the bench pin for the most support. So here we go. Here's the finished piece. I managed to actually saw it out and not lose any of the negative spaces like inside the O's and the A's and everything like that. And you have to kind of anticipate that, but I think this is a fairly successful signature sawing out of. And I hope you want to give this one a try, because this is a real sawing challenge.